local weather information we're listening to right now. It's weather right here at the airport.
Van Nuys Airport, latest information, Lima, time 2251 Zulu.
And we gotta wait for everything to spin up.
Visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 29er, dew point -01. Altimeter 2983. Visual approach.
What's that?
Use.
Gotta talk into the mic.
Runway
There's
34.
train.
Notice 2 airmen.
Oh yeah, the train.
Runway
Yeah,
34
train
left.
station.
Precision.
Yeah, down that way, about 4 miles.
Runway 34 right. Runway and identifier lights. Out.
All right, we're gonna do a couple of engine checks before we go.
Contact. You have latest information, Lima. Van Nuys Airport, latest information, Lima, time 2251 Zulu. Wind variable at 6, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 29er, dew point -.
All right, that all looks good.
Altimeter 2983. Visual approaches in use, landing and departing runways 34. Notice 2
Can we loosen all the frictions?
34 left. Precision
So-
approach pad indicators out of
Normally the way we do this is our right hand, we hold that like this.
identifier
All
light.
right,
Out of service.
I'm gonna roll it on up.
On initial contact, you have latest information.
And when we're taking off, we'll do it together, okay? And then once we get into flight, I'll slowly give you the controls, all right?
Time 2251 Zulu. Wind variable at 6, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 29er, dew point -01. Altimeter 2983.
Central Aircraft, crossway turbulence, heavy Airbus descending on the Burbank ILS, mile and a half west of Van Nuys,
Notice
descending at
2
30,000.
Runway 34 left. Precision approach pad indicators out of service.
Please, 15, that was for everybody. There is a heavy Airbus.
Runway and identifier lights out of service. Advise on initial contact. You have latest information, Lima.
Van Nuys Helicopters 5440 Sierra Charlie. We have the Lima northwest corner looking for a Balboa and then a left turn.
Helicopter 544 Sierra Charlie, Van Nuys, Center Depart Northwest corner, Joan Risk, Balboa approved.
We just had a change of plans. How about a Bull Creek with an eastbound turn for 4 Sierra Charlie?
Helicopter 4 Sierra Charlie, Bull Creek approved.
Thanks a lot, 4 Sierra Charlie. All right, so we're going to pick it up. So I start lifting the collective, a little bit of left paddle. And the helicopter starts getting light on the skids. We're going to hold the position with the cyclet. Yeah. And then we're going to turn it over this way a little bit. And we're going to taxi on out of here. And we tilt it forward a little bit so we get a little forward speed. And up we go.
Harry.
It'll settle down as soon as we get into regular flight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And push forward just a little teeny bit. There we go. Excellent. We're going to follow this cement river right on out of here, so we'll turn it to the left a little bit. Turn it to the right a little bit. And then to the left a little bit.
Helicopter 4 Sierra Charlie, traffic 2 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound on a left base, descending out of 2000 Global Express.
Yeah, we got them in sight before Sierra Charlie. Any chance we can turn to the east?
Helicopter 4 Sierra Charlie, stand by. Helicopter 4 Sierra Charlie, make that left turn now.
We're on it, 4 Sierra Charlie. So we're turning to the east, and we're going to run over Beverly Park. You ever heard of that?
Helicopter 441 Tango.
Beverly Beverly Park is some of the most expensive real estate in the world.
Oh, nice.
It's the exclusive section of Beverly Hills.
Stag arrival, please.
Helicopter 1 Tango, Hotel report stag in the 405.
We'll call stag at 405, request direct.
Helicopter 1 Tango, Hotel approved as requested.
And we're just going to go straight ahead, okay? It's all you. Oh my God, push it forward just a little bit. There you go, good. Hold it down in your lap like that, there you go. A little bit forward. A little bit more forward. There you go, just like that for a minute.
Can you continue into Burbank airspace?
We are for 4 Sierra Charlie.
Helicopter 4 Sierra Charlie, traffic 12 o'clock, 2.5 miles northwestbound currently. Helicopter altitude indicates 1,100.
Yeah, we're looking for Sierra Charlie.
Helicopter 1 Tango Hotel, traffic's over the interchange eastbound. Helicopter altitude indicates 1,400. Are you going to continue northwest?
That's affirmative. We'll be looking for the traffic on Tango Hotel.
Helicopter 1 Tango Hotel, roger. Helicopter 4 Sierra Charlie, they're continuing northwestbound, won't be a factor. Contact Burbank Tower 118.7.
18.7, thanks. Yeah, good afternoon, Burbank Tower, Helicopter 544 Sierra Charlie. We're about a mile east of the interchange, 405, 101, headed for the antenna, and then a left-hand turn back to Van Nuys.
544 Sierra Charlie, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 2983, squawk 0216.
0216 for 4 Sierra Charlie. Now we're going to climb up a little bit over these hills. Yeah, there you go, good, just like that.
Hi. It's a Hollywood Hill?
Yeah, no, this is, the Hollywood Hills are up here just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is Encino, not Sherman Oaks. This is the backside of Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
Right here, this ridge is kind of like the divider.
Yeah, we're coming up to Bel Air.
Yep.
Not recording, Lana.
Helicopter 4 Sierra Charlie, radar contact 5 miles southwest Burbank Airport, 1,600.
4 Sierra Charlie.
Here we go. Recording that.
So this right in front of you is Beverly Park.
Hi.
Denzel Washington, Sylvester Stallone, you name them, they're in here. Right down in there. Average price of a home is $45 million.
Nice.
They got their own little pond here and everything. And then Beverly Hills down that way. And right past this antenna, we'll be going through the Hollywood Hills. We're going to turn a little left right now.
So sensitive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then level it out. And we'll go just a little south of this antenna. This is the Hollywood Hills right in here.
Nice. Option 712, Burbank Tower.
Option 712, just checking in. We're 6 miles out for landing runway 08, field in sight.
Option 712, traffic.
That's downtown out there. That's Hollywood right over there.
North of your course, runway 8, clear to land.
Option 712, negative contact, clear to land runway 8.
Universal Studios, and we're going to make a left right over Universal Studios. And Burbank Tower, Helicopter 544 Sierra Charlie. On a left turn will be Universal Studios and then Van Nuys.
4 Sierra Charlie, roger. Option 7.
That's the Hollywood sign right out there, underneath that antenna. Lake Hollywood.
2, roger, negative contact.
Just kind of hold that right like that. We'll continue that left turn, and we're going to start descending, so we'll push a little forward on it. Excellent. You know, they're building Harry Potter World here.
Oh, nice.
It's like Lucky Harry. They'll go down in Universal history. And we're going to descend down to about 1,300 now. So you push the nose forward just a little bit. There you go. Excellent. Push it forward just a little bit. There you go. Yeah, we're doing good. Normally in the helicopter, we travel about 500 feet above the ground. We can level off right here, so we just, there you go, just let it come up a little bit.
Okay.
Not too much, though.
Charlie radar service terminated. Keep the code. Contact Van Nuys Hilo 119.0.
19-0, thanks. 4-0, Charlie. Van Nuys Helicopters, 5440 Charlie. We're with you off of Burbank for a stag northwest corner.
Helicopter 5440 Charlie, Van Nuys. I report stagging to 405. Do you have information, Lima?
We sure have the Lima. We'll report stagging at 405, 40 Charlie. All right, we're direct to Van Nuys City Hall right now. Little bit of forward pressure. Just push forward a little bit on it. There you go. Excellent. Move it to the left a little bit. Push it over this way towards me. There you go. Good. Forward pressure. Go. Excellent. This is the lovely valley right here. That's the Burbank Airport over there. Van Nuys City Hall. This is where they tried the Menendez brothers. You can't kill your parents for the money around here.
Right now, current wind 280 at 18, altimeter 2983.
Little bit forward. There you go. A little bit left. And now we're going to turn a little bit to the left. So let's move the cyclist left a little bit. There we go. We roll that way. Keep it going. Beautiful. Now straighten it out. Good. A little bit of forward pressure. We got to go down a couple of 100 feet now. There you go. Good.
And now what?
Oh, we'll keep going down. And keep going straight. We're coming up on the airport now.
Oh, okay.
And we'll,
Helicopter 40 Charlie, cross stag, land northwest corner at your own risk.
we're crossing stag, land in the northwest corner, 40 Charlie. So now we're going to cross both these runways, so we're going to turn left, we're going to descend a little bit. So I lower the power, we put the nose down a little bit like this. And now we'll turn to the left, so let's roll to the left.
Helicopter 40 Charlie, traffic, mile final 434 right, Cherokee.
Oh, my God.
We're looking, 40 Charlie. We have the Cherokee in sight, 40 Charlie.
Helicopter 40 Charlie, roger.
See, this guy here is landing, so they warned us about him in case he does something stupid like try to take off again or whatever. And we're slowing down now, down from about 115 to about 70, 60. We just do that by holding the nose up and taking the power out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And now we let the nose down a little bit. There we go. And we'll follow this right on in.
How do you,
What's that?
how do you do this when you're alone?
Oh, I do it from over there where you are.
Oh, okay.
Wind 270 at 8.
You're in the pilot seat.
Oh, nice.
Now we're going to slow down a little bit.
I'm so scared.
Are you scared?
Yeah. Right now, when we...
We're okay.
Something for holding.
Needs a bar.
Yeah. Oh.
And then we get right over this little square, and we just let it settle down to the ground.
I was so...
Yeah.
It's us.
Everybody does that at first. All right, we got to let it cool down for a minute. You can open your door if you want, but we really can't get out until it cools down a little bit. All right?
Okay. This is metal?
What's that?
This is metal?
Yeah.
Okay.